Hey there, future investor. So you've heard about this magical thing called index funds, and you're wondering, how do I get in on that? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to break down the basics of investing in index funds with a little twist of fun. Ready? Let's dive in. First things first. What even is an index fund? Imagine a giant basket filled with the top companies' stocks. Instead of picking individual stocks, you buy the whole basket. This basket is called an index fund. It's like a pre-packaged smoothie of stocks. Yum, right? Now, why should you care? Well, index funds are like the slow and steady tortoise in the fable. Over time, they tend to outperform those flashy, individual stocks. They're less risky and require less effort on your part. It's like putting your money on cruise control. So, how do you start? Step 1. Open a brokerage account. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Think of it as opening an online shopping account, but for stocks. Platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or E*Trade are great places to start. Sign up, and you're halfway there. Next, you'll need to choose your index fund. There are a few popular ones like the S&P 500, which includes 500 of the largest US companies. Or you could go global with a total world stock index fund. It's like choosing between a classic burger and an international buffet. Both are delicious, but it depends on your taste. Okay, now for the fun part, buying your index fund. Once your account is set up, search for the ticker symbol of your chosen fund. For example, VOO for the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Enter the amount you want to invest and click Buy. Boom, you're an investor now. Feels pretty good, huh? But wait, there's more. The key to success in index fund investing is patience. Remember, we're the tortoise, not the hare. Keep adding money regularly, whether it's every month or every paycheck. This strategy is called dollar cost averaging. It's like dripping water on a rock. Over time, it makes a big impact. And finally, don't panic. The stock market has its ups and downs, like a roller coaster. But don't jump off in the middle of the ride. Stay calm, stay invested, and enjoy the journey. So there you have it. Investing in index funds is simple, effective, and dare I say, fun. If you enjoyed this guide, hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and let me know in the comments what other investing topics you'd like me to cover. Happy investing, and remember, you've got this.